Welcome back to another video, everybody. I hope you're doing well today. Bitcoin back above $20,000. We've got some good news in the markets. That was a key psychological resistance level. Bitcoin has busted back through. Hopefully we can maintain the 20s now. Now we're above once again. Ethereum just chilling under $1,400. So let's have a little look today at Uniswap. I think Uniswap is a fantastic decentralized exchange, looking rather undervalued at the moment. We can see Uniswap is up 14.2% today. So naturally we should have a look at Uniswap and see what's going on with it. We can see Uniswap is trading at $6.58, up 14% over the last 24 hours. And when we look retrospectively all the way back in time, it once traded at $43, which is quite impressive, and even had a market cap of 22.59 billion. Of course, compared to the market capital of 5 billion today, it gives Uniswap a lot of long-term growth potential, right? We could easily see the market cap hit 30, 40 or 50 billion dollars, assuming it's still going to be the number one decentralized exchange in the future. And looking at the way DeFi is growing, I think that is very likely at present. So let's see what's going to happen there. Uniswap's looking really good. And also wanted to show you, looking at DeFi Llama, why is it important to focus on Uniswap? Well, we can see we're still getting the most volume on this decentralized exchange, 972 million. I mean, that competes with even some of the biggest tier one centralized exchanges, right? So it just shows you how huge the DeFi space actually is. Followed by Uniswap, we've got PancakeSwap, Curve, Dodo, Balancer, SushiSwap, but Uni is seriously, that takes most of the market share. You can see even just adding up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the top 10 here and below, none of those decentralized exchanges even accumulate to being more than $972 million. So certainly stay bullish on Uniswap, and I think current prices are looking very good. Their Twitter page, 921k followers. You can see they're still actively communicating with their following as well, and the community is ever growing, which is always a green flag. We don't like stagnant, sort of socials. We don't like inconsistency with messaging and having a voice for the brand. It's really important. It's really important to have a voice for your brand in the crypto world. So what we're looking at right now is some key levels, and to be honest, the crash of 13th of June where 200 went through that 200-week moving average, that was such a good buy-in. $3.20. What a steal. You'd have actually rode the wave up from that $3.20 level all the way up 186% to the upside. And you can see we are breaking through this diagonal resistance right here, which was at $6.17. So things are starting to look good. The prices of a few months ago were quite nostalgic of 2020 prior to the crypto mad bull run, and you can see just look how wild it went from December 2020. It just shot up in value, didn't it, over through to April 2021. I do see current trading prices chopping between the sort of $4 and maybe the $9.60 level for some time, but I do think it will serve as a good accumulation level for Uniswap right here. If we move into the daily time frame, have a look at our 20-day moving average and the Bollinger Bands, you can see this particular pump borders over the 20-day EMA up towards the top ribbon of the Bollinger Band itself. So if you did buy in at $5 last week, that's a really good time to have entered into the particular trade itself. So looking for these undervaluation phases, try to avoid, that's what I like to do with the Bollinger Bands. If I'm in an accumulation like phase, I want to avoid these sort of top peaks that we're seeing go through the Bollinger Bands, and you want to kind of focus on trying to buy the bottom of the Bollinger Band on the downtrend when you're under the 20-day moving average. So here's uptrend, you're bouncing off the 20-day. Here's a downtrend, and you're getting rejected off of the 20-day moving average, right? So that's what's happening each time. Moving into the 4-hour time frame, it looks like Uniswap is headed towards a bit of resistance now, which is, in my opinion, going to be this technical target here, and of course the resistance that we've got right here. So we're just floating below the technical target of $6.74. If we can hold here and consolidate here, form a bit of a bull pennant, we might even see some continuation to the upside here for Uniswap. So we're sitting on a 30-minute time frame now. Going to zoom right into this candles, get nice and up close, just like that. And yeah, so we're pumping, we're putting through some lower highs. We are pretty much consolidating at this particular level. It could be seen as a descending triangle where we're getting a bit of rollover we were very overbought on this RSI, looking at 85 on the 30-minute time frame. Moving back into the hour, you can see we are putting through that descending triangle at the moment. So maybe things did move quite euphorically over the last 24 hours for Uniswap. I mean, $5.56 all the way to $6.58. Can you expect too much more in a crypto bear market? Probably not. But I think the main message is here. If you are looking to stay in crypto for a long time, I do see Uniswap as still being a key, crypto to actually accumulate for the long term. I really do see Uniswap coming up to $13 over the next few years, and maybe even in October, November, December, when the market could flip bullish again. I expect us to come through $7 and sail up to about $9.50. And if that happens, we're seeing something else, aren't we? There's something else that I must share with you if that happens, because I'm seeing something here, guys. And when we see something, we like to talk about it. Even though it's not a complete double bottom, because we didn't retest the neckline twice, we'd have to come up to here to make it a valid double bottom. There is the chance that we break through this $9.54 level and head up towards $12.48, and that could be this year, guys. So let's see what happens. If you're new to the channel, make sure you get yourself into the Discord. Come and say hi. Got loads of people in here now, like over 600 people, so it's a thriving community. Come join right now. As I'm speaking, you can just click the link down below to join the Discord channel, and make sure you sign up to the OKX exchange, because just by using that link down below, it will enter you into a $10,000 giveaway, and I received like $5 for doing so. Not the craziest amount, but it's still something. So just by joining today, using that link down below, $5 it will enter you to. And if you also want to join my Patreon page at the VIP holders, I've got a whole lot of love category as well. It's going to give you early access to upcoming pre-sales, whitelistings, giving you early information in regards to the pre-sales, as well as trading signals, one-on-one lessons, a free ebook, and basically whatever you guys want. If I have time to help you, I'll do my best. But the main point is it's a community that's thriving, that will add value to your crypto journey. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. Slap that sub if you're new here, like, comment, and I shall see you in another video soon. You lovely people, you. Bye for now.